Today we are going to learn new chapter algebra. We are learn functions. So many basic topics are in this chapter. The here means Krama Yugmam. A comma B are two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets, and A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Then AB is called ordered pair. Ordered pair in which A is called coordinate. Second element. Second element. A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Then AB is called ordered pair, in which is called first element, and B is called second element. Let A comma B are two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets. The Cartesian product of A comma B is denoted by AB. D is defined by, and is defined by A cross B is equal to AB, such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B, B belongs to B. Let A comma B are two non-empty sets. The Cartesian product of A comma B is denoted by A cross B and is defined by A cross B is equal to AB. A is first coordinate and B is second coordinate. 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 2, 3 for example. Now A cross B is equal to 1, 2, 3 cross 2, 3. You see, you take like this 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. This is called Cartesian product of sets A. Cartesian product of sets A. You must observe here very clear note. If number of A is equal to M and number of B is equal to N, then number of A cross B is equal to Mn. Number of A cross B is equal to N. Here both must be a non-empty sets. A comma B are both are. If any set is empty set, then A cross B is equal to 5. A cross B is equal to 5. This is undefined. This is undefined. Okay, friends? Relation. Comma B are two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets. Then any non-empty subset of A cross B, any non-empty subset of A cross B is called relation from A to B. Relation from A to B. If A comma B are two non-empty sets, then any non-empty subset of, you see friends, any non-empty subset of A cross B is called relation from A to B. Relation from A to B. For example, I have taken this is F1, 2, 3, B 4, 5, 6. Now A cross B is equal to 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Now I have taken a set from this, a subset R1. 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. This is a relation from A to B. This is a relation from A to B because R1 is subset of A cross B. R1 is clearly R1 is subset of A cross B. For example, see R2. You see R2. This is 2, 4, 2, 4, 6. 2, 6. This is also relation. This is also a relation. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. This is identity relation because equal 1, 1. First element and second element are equal. First element or second element are equal. This is identity relation. N of A is equal to M. N of B is equal to N. Then we can define 2 power Mn relations from A to B. Relations from A to B because number of elements in A to B is equal to Mn. Kabatti, so that the number of relations defined from A to B are 2 power Mn.